Welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to be doing just a quick check on oil. So with these Audis, there's no dipstick, so you have to rely on the car to accurately check your oil, and sometimes it's not always accurate. So for the car to check the oil, you typically have to run it up to full temp. I mean, we're only at half temp right now. But I did get an oil level. Sometimes it'll tell you, it takes a while to actually get the measurement when you go into the settings and you check it. Other times it'll give you the instructions, like you got to run it up to temperature, turn the car off, and then check it. But in my case, the oil level is actually there, and it says oil level okay. If there's no reading there, it'll give you the instructions you have to do to actually get your oil level to pop up there. But what I have is a dipstick, and we are going to test to make sure that the car's measurement is actually accurate to the dipstick measurement. And then you can either keep this in there, or you can just keep it on the side and use it when you need it. I did have to, or we will have to cut the top of the handle off, because this is actually too tall and will hit the hood when it closes, and then it'll break things down the line. Ask me how I know. I did that the first time on my other car. Anyway, so let's shut the engine off, and then we'll check the oil from under the hood. So in both circumstances, you want to make sure that the car is on a level surface. So I parked it in our garage because our driveway is not level. And then here's the little dipstick hole right here. It should just be a cap, and it should just kind of twist and pull out. And it looks like this one's been used. One of the clips is actually broken off, but it still is a nice tight fit. So just some clean paper towels. Make sure your dipstick is clean. The new one is very clean. Throw it in there all the way down, pull it up, and from this it says it is way over full. We'll do that twice. And again, way over full. It's got the mark way up here, where that down there says it's full. So either this dipstick is wrong, which is very likely. It's an aftermarket one. It is the same one I bought for my other Audi, which I think I'm going to pull that one out and try it. So here's the other one. See, I had to cut most of the handle off just to make sure it fit and wouldn't hit the hood. And it's actually screwed into your cam phase sensor there, so it will actually break that and cause it to leak. And it's connected to a couple other points down farther where it can also leak. But when I pulled this one out on the other Audi, which also measures as accurate level, it was right there, but it was cold, so the engine was off. So if we do this, same thing here, it also measures high, but the engine is also off. If we turn the engine on, it would go down because there's oil in the rest of the car. So measuring between the two cars, and I know that the other one is accurate, this will work and give you an accurate measurement. So with the engine off, if that's proper level, it is going to give you a high level because all the oil is drained back down into the oil pan. If you checked it with the engine running, yes, you'd create a vacuum leak, but it would also measure accurately. So since I know that works, and this one's got a cracked thing, I'm going to keep that one on there and then just cut off the handle to make it fit right. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I'll have links in the description for this dipstick for you.